Alright, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see me. I'm recording with my phone still because I'm waiting on my good camera. But y'all, this Purex is cheap. It's all I use to wash these towels every day. And I don't even put it on like the heavy soil cycle. If you want to put a little bit extra soap in there, I don't even measure it. This ain't even the right top for it because every time I get the top, I break them or I lose them. Put that in there. So I'm gonna show y'all the tip really. So, and there's some extra. I use extra. It don't have to be Tide or the best soap, y'all. It works. So what I do is I use the top and then I screw this back on there, and then everything that was in that top, it falls. So basically, once this right here get low, I still got soap in here that I pour at the end just in case I need to go to the store and get some more soap. But I mean, that might be a po man trick, but it is what it is. It worked. So that's the soap. Also, I need to put some bleach on my list as well. Great value bleach, y'all. It don't have to be, it just works. Y'all can see it kills 99% of the germs. I'll go ahead and fill up my wash machine fully with that. And then we just take the towels and go through a normal cycle of washing. It ain't technical at all. And I'm telling you, some of these towels, this towel right here for sure, I done had it for 3 years. It ain't broken. I mean, it ain't nothing, like 3 years. And these was the good towels. This right here is the $10 pack, I think, at Walmart. I actually like these because they more fluffier and they soak up more liquid than these right here. These still work good, don't get me wrong, because I like them. I like the little microfiber stuff right there, but these right here work extraordinarily good too. I mean, they good. So, but I got a mix of stuff in here. You got a mix from, this was a Walmart towel, this the newest Walmart towel. Now these work real good, these blue ones. And this one, when I first started, I thought I needed the best towels. This is a $20 towel right here. It's still good. I mean, some of the strings getting pulled out on it, but as it should. Let's see. I know I got some other ones in here, but I got other towels. Ones from Harbor Freight, the dark black ones from Walmart, all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and put this on the cycle. Close that down. Just put it on a medium. Start it. 40 minutes. Watch my watch. I'm gonna throw it in the dryer. Nothing special there. It's on high heat. That's it, y'all. Let's move on.